Welcome to my channel, Catherine the Paint. I got these cute little heart glitter pieces and these heart coasters that I wanted that have a faceted edge, and I thought they were really cool. So I decided to make some Valentine's inspired coasters real quick for you guys. This is going to be a set of 2 coasters, and it's going to have 2 different sides. So the first side has these little white and pink and red hearts, and they don't have any shiny aspect to them. So I am just putting this layer down, and then we are going to let that set up for a day, and then we will put the second set on. So don't forget to hit it with your heat gun, just pop any bubbles. So so sorry I lost the footage of the pouring of the red glitter for the second layer, but there is what the glitter looks like, and there's the cup. So sorry guys. So now they are ready for demolding. These molds are really nice. They came out real easy, and look how the red sparkles through on this side so that it's sparkly on both sides now. So that's really cool. I was really pleased with how these look. So fun. 2 different sides, but they really need the edge covered because that facet doesn't show up very good. So I am putting the silver deco art and just covering the edges of both of these. And I think that really makes the edging pop. So it's a little time consuming, but not too bad. I think it turns out really good. So if you could, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I am now trying to do Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday uploads, so I don't want you to miss anything. Alright, so I have put the silver on the edge. I think it really makes it pop. So that's fun. I don't always like an edge, but with these faceted ones, I think that looks really good. So here's this side. These are designed to be 2-sided. You can use them on either side. So you can use the solid red glitter or the confetti glitter. Fun, fun, set of 2. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.